Así lo haré, señor Gómez.
No hace falta que me llame señor Gómez, llámame solo Manu, ¿vale?
Vale.
Antes de seguir, ¿te importaría colgarme la chaqueta, por favor?
Sí, claro.
Toma, aquí tienes.
Esto... ¿Dónde lo cuelgo?
Tranquilo, Manu, no creemos en las perchas. Es más, ni siquiera te di la chaqueta.
¡Oh! ¡Wow!
Scorpio, he'll sting you with his dreams of power and wealth. Beware of Scorpio. His twisted twin obsessions are his plot to rule the world and his employees' health. He'll welcome you into his lair, like the nobleman welcomes his guest, with free dental care and a stock plan that helps you invest. But beware of his generous pensions, plus 3 weeks paid vacation each year. And on Fridays the lunchroom serves hot dogs